Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is TestQ, and today I show you how you model a hole like these on round surfaces. It's maybe a grid of holes with a little offset. Looks complicated, but it's easy. We only need 3 steps, and the file also are free to download. And yeah, I pick 4 examples. We're switching to Photoshop. This technique is really useful for creating HyperX microphone or assets like these. There are also the holes with the offset. It's really cool. Or maybe you want to model a gun like this machine gun. If you model complex stuff, I think holes are a bit annoying, and today I show you the easiest way to do this. We're starting now. Let's go. First step, we are starting with a plane, and we rotate the plane 90 degrees like this. Now we're switching to the option. You can see the surface, the polygons, and switch from 10 to 2 like this. And the size of the plane, it's 10 centimeters in all directions. Perfect. The plane is selected, and we hitting the C on the keyboard to make the plane editable. Now we are switching to the polygon mode, to the polygon selection mode, and select all the polygons, right click and insert. Next right click and we're clicking collapse like this. Now we're switching to our point selection mode and select the middle point. Another right click and bevel these, maybe like this. Now we're going back to the polygon selection mode and select the hole, the round surface, and delete. Next we are adding a cloner like this. You see there are a lot of space. We're going to the first size and hit the number 10 and maybe here. Yeah, perfect. In this number we type 1. We need this result. And yeah, maybe we're going for 20 planes, like this. Now we're adding a next cloner and switching to linear. We type here 0, and I think here 10, minus 10. Right. And the step on 2. And here we type the number 5. For this little offset. It's cool. It's a bit unique. Why not? Now we're adding the next cloner. And this is basically the last cloner we need. This is wrong. We type here the number 1. And here we type the size 20. And now we can play a bit with the count. Maybe like this. It's cool. Not too long. And this is the first setup we need. We're going to the cloner and make a right click on your mouse and click on current state to object. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a mistake. We need one small step. We're adding a connect to all of these. And now we're going to current state to object. And we have all these clones as an object. It's really cool. Now we can make all of these invisible. We don't need it. Next step is we adding a bend deformer. We're playing a bit with the strange, and see this is not the direction we want. We play a bit with the rotate, 90 degrees in this direction, and yeah, perfect. We set the strange back to 0 and go in the front view. Now we need to fix all of these to fit perfect in this area. But before we do this, We are selecting our mesh, go to Tools, Axis, Axis Center, and we need to apply the right axis. Now we have the connect, the mesh selected, and go to coordinates and make this perfect in the middle. Nice. Back to this view, and now we're playing with the size. And also perfect. And here we type 10. Now we drag the bend deformer under our object and type here the number. Now we see, oh, that's not perfect. Here's a little bit of spacing, and that looks a bit wrong, right? We play a bit with the number, and maybe this fits perfect. We select in our mesh and add another connect object. Right click on the connect and click on current state to object. Make all of these invisible. We don't need it anymore. And we are close to finish. We go back to the polygon face selection and click Ctrl A and make a right click. We selecting the extrude. And now we need a tiny extrude like this. A bigger one. Oh, Ctrl Z. We need to click create caps. My fault. We make a tiny extrude and creating caps. It's enabled. Another extrude. And the next tiny extrude like this. We need the line cuts for the subdivision. Now we go back to the normal mode and something has happened. The shading looks ugly, right? It's really easy to fix it. We go to the Bong tag and type here maybe a lower number. Now it looks perfect. The last step is adding a subdivision. And now we are finished. Really easy, really fast, and really powerful, I mean. Yeah guys, that's it. A really quickish tutorial about creating whole on round surfaces. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the technique, the tutorial overall. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope we see you again in the next video. On my channel, we keep a look on Blender, Marvelous Designer, Cinema4D, and the render engine Octane. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.